A company or organization is a sum of its parts. Every part is handpicked and assembled with attention and care. The organization is a living thing that keeps growing bigger, and as it does, it needs to adapt, to be better, to be wiser. This is Jack. One day at the office, a pile of files suddenly landed on his desk. Soon enough, there were files all around him, everywhere. His daily tasks remained incomplete. It was Tuesday, and Jack was already working. He got an important call. It was the CEO of Big Engines. He wanted some important information from his file. Jack looked around for the file, but couldn't find it. He searched a lot, but didn't see the file because he was sitting on it. Wednesday, Jack was busy with a proposal he wanted to put forward. Suddenly, an invoice popped up, waiting to be confirmed. He checked the details and confirmed it. But 3 more similar invoices popped up. Jack had to drop everything and confirm the invoices one by one. It was Thursday, and Jack was still busy completing the files. He had worked all night long and was feeling ill. He wished he could rest on his bed and work from home, but all the files were in the office. He couldn't take them home, so he decided to take a power nap. It's Friday, and Jack slept over at the office. He was very ill and needed to rest. Jack called Paul and requested him to take over his tasks. Paul obliged, but he couldn't find the right files, the right documents, anything. Nothing was organized. Paul just couldn't work. These were dark and sad times for the company. Only an angel could help them out with this, and it did. dMACQ software, with their expertise in information technology, excels in creating solutions relating to converged infrastructure, information, and record management. ECM began working its magic. It took all the paper documents and made them accessible via the computer. When Jack arrived, he was surprised and happy to see a clear workplace. He could start working instantly. dMACQ ECM is integrated with every department of the organization. It can digitize every document from the company, both internal and external, which can then be easily accessed by all employees. It also hosts a powerful file movement tracker system. This allows you to enter detailed information related to the file's location, even the shelf and its respective rack. Once any physical document is digitized using the dMACQ document management system, the dMACQ DMS, its true physical location can be linked to it using a barcode-based tagging system. This keeps the true copy and the digital copy of the document in sync with each other. Now, work became efficient and easy. Jack got a call from the CEO of Big Engines again. But this time, Jack simply tapped a few keys and the right documents popped up in front of him. How did the ECM know which documents Jack was looking for? dMACQ ECM has a powerful OCR engine. When a document is digitized, it can pick out specific keywords and tags. It reads and remembers documents in multiple languages. The ECM is powered by the DMS Document Management Engine. It creates an index that is used as a search reference. Search for a certain phrase, and the appropriate document is brought right in front of you. Earlier, personal attention was required of Jack every time, but not anymore. Now, for an invoice, Jack could check it once and confirm the action. The ECM would take over after that, while Jack continued to work. ECM doesn't just digitize documents, it understands them. On detecting certain keywords, it can automate actions that do not require manual interaction. Moreover, it can activate workflow engagements where multiple departments need to be involved. All actions take place without actual movement of the document, and everything is audited by the dMACQ ECM in a proper log. Everything was fine and happy. But some things are beyond our control, like disasters. There could be floods, fires, or even alien invasions. Maybe not. In reality, certain events are beyond our control. These events can hamper business continuity on a large scale. dMACQ ECM ensures that all data is backed up on clouds and offshore servers, which are also protected and secure. Separating backups geographically makes it safer and easier for a company to resume normal operations. Finally, Jack managed to complete his proposal and decided to go on a small vacation. He called up Paul to take over. Unlike earlier, Paul was confident because ECM had organized everything. He got a call from one of Jack's clients he didn't know about. All he had to do was inform Jack about it and ask him for assistance. Jack quickly logged in from his holiday location, and Paul and him worked together to complete the task. The brilliance of ECM lies in its accessibility. It runs from an internet browser. This allows you to access your work from anywhere across the globe. Moreover, it has rights-based access management, which maintains the integrity of the data. Tagging documents and tasks to people is another feature of ECM. This allows easy tracking as well as simplified transfer of control between employees. The dMACQ ECM doesn't just make things easier, it makes them smarter. It has a host of other features that makes it the best value addition for any organization that is poised to grow and move forward. The ECM can also be used in an organization that has a pre-existing ERP solution. The ECM can integrate right into it and automate the business processes. Even advanced ERP systems that require a DMS engine can be integrated with the ECM, and all the processes will be streamlined. So Jack, Paul, and the company worked happily ever after. The dMACQ ECM. It's time for a new era of working simple, working smart, and working happy.